This next program is really small, so I'll just show it real quick. It's only 64 plus, oh, 250, like 310 lines or something. Um, so here is an input space. Here is an output space. This is our input. If we drag it, we see that the output moves as well. So dragging it to the right seems to move it to the right. What if we drag it up? So this is the complex plane with I there. I don't know. That's probably visible, yeah. So going up rotates and down rotates. So this is the map from input to output here is actually the exponential map. W here equals e to the power of z, where z is the input. So you can see here that it just gives a feel for what the exponential map does. I mean, if you move to the right, it moves you radially outwards, and if you move up or down, it rotates you. And another interesting thing is that if you're at z and you move a little nudge dz, like up a little bit, for example, what that does with the exponential map, if it's a small enough nudge, is multiply the output by 1 plus dz, which is interesting because exponentials turn addition into multiplication. And that's an interesting way to think about it, that adding dz, translating by dz in the input space, multiplies by 1 plus dz in the output space, which makes sense because dz is almost zero because you're doing a little nudge. And so how do you go from addition to multiplication? Maybe you turn zero, the additive identity, into one, the multiplicative identity, or shift things near that way. So a small nudge near zero becomes a small multiplication near one. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, that's just something I thought was cool.